Good afternoon, friendly koi keepers. Quick video here. We all like to dabble. If you're a koi keeper or a pond keeper, you like to dabble. It's like gardening. Never ends, ever ends. So whether it's your filter, or your pond, or your wall, or plants, or koi, or whatever it is that you're passionate about, it will continue and it will never end. It'll just evolve. So talking on evolving, I've dabbled with my filters myself, and I've built like a hillbilly brush box, and I'm just going to show you it. So just to briefly explain my system, I will just flip this round so you can see. No, you can't see. So no, I'll do it this way. So what we've got here, here's the incoming bottom drain. It goes, and it was originally comes into this vortex, which makes it spiral, and it goes through that hole there into there, which has got jack matting in. Now this was just going to be a collection chamber, two of them, because it then runs through down the side of the pond to the bog filter there, look, and then there's a return under the pagoda, and then returns down, look, in the corner, and it pushes water down on that back wall. And then, because that's okay, so I want to turn the plant filter off. But anyway, that was my idea at first. Since then, because this here was going to be a breeze block, all breeze block, this pot, to hold a collection chamber. So the bottom drain just coming up with a standpipe and a drain, and it just collects in here with a pump in here that pumps to the plant filter. But instead of building another wall and then lining it and all that sort of stuff, I decided to put, because these are only £40 each, these two vortexes, and couple them up. And then it got me thinking to add additional biological filtration. So in this one here, the second one, there is jack matting, layers of it. Now, so then obviously that was it, standard, just vortex, collected all the big mechanical waste here, and then threw into the extra biological and into the plant filter. So that was where it materialised at first. That was my original design. Then my skimmer, which is under this here, has got a separate pump, and there, look, there's two pumps, and then it pumps to the shower. It didn't do, that just teed in down there. There's two pipes down there now. Well, that was one pipe, so the two pumps teed in, but one overpowered the other, and I think it did some injustice to the bottom drain. So if you have a skimmer, you better go separate lines, two pumps, two dry mount pumps. So the skimmer, so the skimmer just went over into the pond. To make use of that 5,000 litres an hour of water from the pump, I decided to put a shower. I got that shower for 200 quid second hand, really good, and there's plastic media in there, but there's a row of lithoacrin out the bottom, plastic media, and then on the top, guys, then on the top, put a row of sponges, three layers of sponges to get rid of all the crap out of it. Great. So back to my hillbilly box. What I've done, got a bucket. There was one in there before. There's one with holes in. Can't see it now. It had holes in before, little holes around the side, and just loads of bushes in. Well, now what I've done, look, is like a divider. So there's the back going in, look, and I've just put these two little retainers, glued them in, and built this brush box. That's all it is, look. There you go, mixing it up now, look. Put that back in quick. Let me just drop that back in. Hang on, let me get my pipe out. There you go, and that just sits in there like that. And what I've done on the front part, I've just done a hole in the bottom, look, and just put this pipe in. There's a tank connector at the bottom of there, So when I drain it, I'll just simulate it now. Excuse me, I've already done this, but I'll do it again to show you. Just out of interest. I open this up. Can you hear it go? Woo! Right. So that's draining now, look. See? So that now just drains into the vortex, into the bottom, and then I just put that back in, the hole, and that just plugs the hole back up. Okay? And that just sits on there. Job done. So close the taps off, open it back up. I shouldn't have done that part really, but because I've already done this. Because my pump's still on as well, which is not good practice, but I've done that as a bit of a show you how it works. And that's it filling up. So hopefully now I'll get all the muck collecting here, clear on the other side, on this side. Then when I want to drain it, instead of pulling me brushes out of the bucket, I can just drain it and then let it drain and fall through this side of it. Okay? I don't know if it's going to be better than the other brush box that I made, but there you go. Dabble. Dabble, dabble, dabble. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like. Join Friendly Koi Keepers. Enjoy koi keeping. Hope that's been of some interest. Share what you do. Share what things you dabble with. It's all of interest for us koi keepers, isn't it? And pond keepers. We all love the same stuff. So please share. Have a good day. Oh, I've got a dint on my thumb. Have a good day.